I don't like being in a box. I don't like doing certain things. I like to do unique things, experiment, put my hands in different genres of music. So, as a music engineer, music is music to me. Sounds are sounds. There's a drum, it has certain frequencies. There's a bass, have certain frequencies. There's pianos, have various frequencies. The voice, the background vocals, effects, um, background vocal effects, doubles. You got percussive instruments. You got shakers. You got hi hats. You got cymbals. You got all of this stuff. Music is music. Study a genre, listen to the genre, adapt to the genre, start working in the genre. See, I'm comfortable as a music engineer. I can create any genre that I can get my hands on because I think outside the box, practice outside the box. I try to master different genres outside the box because I'm an audio nerd. I like mixing music and I get a nice spread and I mix in mono and then all my sounds are heard. Um, so as a audio engineer, I'm mixing everything. I'm not going to be put in a box. So I can do jazz, I can do blues, I can do country, I can do hip hop, I can reggaeton, I can do cumbia, whatever. And as a DJ, I also have experience in hearing these genres and seeing how people react to them. So, you know, music is music, frequencies are frequencies. Uh, Kick drum, maybe depending on the genre, you got 16 hertz all the way up to 4K, maybe sometimes 8 to 12 for that air. Snare starting at 100 hertz, work it all the way up to about 8 or 9 kilohertz, adding that air. Vocals, male, female, boy, girl, stay in that pocket, bring up some air, bring up the mid range. The song's done. So, next time you're curious if someone can produce and or mix your song, think outside the box. Experiment. See what happens. You may come up and find something unique that's different because you're not working inside the box, being comfortable. You can't be comfortable in music because everything is moving day by day. Boom, 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 boom. Minute by minute, hour by hour. Music is being created, uploaded, and regurgitated, and all of this stuff. Be different. Once you be different, once stuff start getting online, you're going to pop out because you're going to be different than everybody who's staying in their little box. So, as an engineer, as a producer, as a songwriter, think outside the box. This is helpful tips, hopefully, for you with Pitch Black and Grooveline Studios. Deuces. Deuces.